Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we will discuss lesson number 7, module 1. In this chapter you will learn how you can select row, column or entire sheet, adjust row or column. Okay students? So if you want to select row, then you click on the row heading. Your row will be select. And if you want to select column, then click on the column heading. If you want to select entire sheet, then press Ctrl A or click on the select all button located on the top of the first row heading. Okay students, if you want to select adjust row, then select the first row, then hold down the shift key while you are select the last row. If you want to select adjust column, then select the first column, then hold down the shift key while you select the last column. Okay. If you want to select the non-adjacent row, then click on the row, then hold down the control key while you are click on the rows. Okay. If you want to select non-adjacent column, then click on the column, then hold down the control key and your columns will be select. If you want entering data in a sheet, to enter numbers as text, place apostrophe before the number. If a number is entered in format 01481, calc will be drop the leading. To preserve the leading zero in case of telephone area codes, roll number, numbers, types an apostrophe before the number like 01481. If you want to change date and time, you can change it according to you. Click on the format cell option from the context menu or click on the format then cell option to open the format cell dialog box. This type of dialog box will appear. Select the numbers tab, then select date and time from the category list. After that, select the date or time format that you want to use from the format list. Okay, after that you will click OK. Your date and time will be select. Changing cell contents. Cell contents can be modified into two ways. First one is replacing cell contents and second is using edit mode. What is cell contents? The characters and numbers typed in a sheet can be seen both in cell as well as in the formula bar. When you type in the cell, the two buttons cancel and accept will appear on the left of the formula bar. Okay. Enter the content in cell and press either enter key or accept button on the formula bar to accept the changes. Now first we will discuss replacing cell contents. By default you can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with the new entry. It's very easy. Here I am already prepare a table. You just open a new sheet and type data. Then you can select the D6. In this D6, 56 is written there. And I want to replace this value. After select the D6 whose content is to be changed. Now Type 65 in that cell and press either the enter key or click on the accept button. These are the steps. Open a new worksheet and type in data as shown in figure. Select the cell D6 whose content has to be done. You will see your value will be replaced. Using editing mode. When you are using editing mode, then you can use two options. There are two buttons. First one is cancel and second one is accept. These are the edit mode in the left hand side. When you type in the cell, the two buttons cancel and accept will be appear to the left of formula bar. Enter the content in cell and press either enter key or click on the accept button to formula bar to accept the changes. You can see when you accept it, your changes will be done. Okay. Insert mode. Insert mode is the default mode of the LibreOffice Calc. As the name suggests, this mode enables the user to insert or add content in the existing cell content. These are the steps using edit mode. Undo and redo feature. Undo command. Undo command is used to undo, means reserve the last action. And Control plus Z is the shortcut key. Redo command. Redo command is used to redo or repeat the last action. Control plus Y is used for the redo command. There are shortcuts also on the standard toolbar. These are the icons or symbols of the redo or undo options or command on the standard toolbar left hand side. You can see after making modifications in a cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and retrieve the previous data to undo the last action performed. Use undo option in the left hand side present on the standard toolbar. Redo command is used to quickly repeat the last action that you have done using undo command. Click on the redo button available on the standard toolbar. After that, you will see your last changes will be shown on your screen. I hope you understand how you can change in your sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.